Hi, second grade. So, this week, Mrs. May is going to be the one teaching you all about CKLA. And today, we've come to a pausing point in CKLA. And if you remember, a pausing point in CKLA means that we are going to pause the reading and do a fun activity that incorporates what we've been learning. Now, we have been learning all about cycles in nature. So today, we are going to do a pausing point activity about something that took place in multiple cycles we've learned about. So, I'm going to try and give you some hints, and I want you guys to see if you can figure out what our pausing point activity will be about. Are you ready? So, the first hint is that as the seasons change, these things that we're going to be learning about change with them. In the spring, they sprout out. In the summer, they're big and bold and green. In the fall, they change colors. And then in the winter, they fall off. Another hint is about the life cycle of a plant, okay? And this thing is in that too because, see, there's a little tiny seed, and then it sprouts up, and then as it sprouts up, it has one of these that we're learning about on it, on the sprout. Oh, another hint for you about what we're learning about today is these are used in making oxygen because they take in sunlight from the sun, and then they produce some different food for the plant through a process called photosynthesis, and they release oxygen. So, can you guess? What are we going to be learning about today? What changes colors and all those things? Leaves. We're going to be learning about leaves, but the thing we're going to be learning about leaves with today is actually an experiment about leaf rubbing. So, you have to follow my instructions carefully. First, we're going to go collect some leaves. Miss Luthenauer helped me to collect my leaves. For your assignment, you need to collect at least 5 leaves. For this assignment, you're going to need your leaves, 2 crayons, and a piece of paper. It works best if you use a white piece of paper. Start by peeling your crayons. Miss Luthenauer is the one who helped me with the leaf rubbings. Once you have peeled your crayons, put a leaf down on a hard surface. Then place your paper over the top. Take your crayon and put the flat side down, pushing hard and rubbing it over the leaf. It works the best if you use the flat side of your crayon. For your different leaves, you're going to be using different colors. These leaves work best if you get leaves that aren't super crumbly, because the crumbly leaves will fall apart when you press down on the paper. When you go to your next leaf, you're going to make sure that you have plenty of space on the paper because you need to have separate leaf rubbings for each leaf. It works also if you use darker colors, as Miss Luthenauer and I found out. Once you have finished doing your leaf rubbing, you're going to be making a picture collage. I'm going to show you how to do that. You need to click your camera. Then you need to take a picture of each of your 5 leaf rubbings. For this video, I only made 2 leaf rubbings. Then you're going to click your Keynote app. If you have a Keynote presentation already open, you're going to click in the top left-hand corner where it says Presentations. You're going to click the plus that says Create Presentation. You're just going to click a plain white template. Then you're going to click the plus at the bottom to make a new slide. You want a blank slide. To insert your pictures, you're going to click the plus at the top. You're going to click Photo or Video. And you're going to go to your recents. Then you're going to insert a picture. You can then change the size of your picture and arrange it into categories. For your assignment today, you're making a pic collage of all the leaf rubbings that you did. I want you to put your ones that look similar to each other, which means they look kind of the same, close together. Your ones that look different would be farther apart. So, looking at these two pictures, I only have two choices. So I don't really know whether or not they look similar or different. But once I do, I can move them around on my page to make the ones that look the same on the same side of the page. I can put them together and make a collage. When I'm done, I'm going to take a screenshot of the picture and upload it into Google Classroom. Remember, when you screenshot, you hold down on the top that powers it off, and you hold on the middle button at the same time. So you click the power button and the middle home screen button at the same time to do a screenshot. Then your screenshot saves into your photos and you can upload that into Google Classroom. When you take your screenshot, we want to make sure that we can see your full pic collage.